Hi friends, we visited different Costco locations looking for the best clearance finds for the month of July, and I'm so excited to show you what we found. We spotted amazing markdowns on products like the Kettle smoker, Nike backpack, the bubble blaster, and so many other great deals happening right now. If you love Costco finds and clearance deals, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. Guys, check out this Lifetime 48-inch folding table. That is a great extra table to have around the house. I found it in Costco Chino Hills, going for $39.97. If you're curious about the original price of this product, it's actually $69.99, so it's a decent price. I will say Costco now seems to have a limited stock for this product. It's very sturdy, easy to clean, and works great for like parties. Imagine using this for like crafts, family gatherings, or for outdoor use. The best part is that it folds in half with a handle, so it's super easy to carry and store when you don't need it. And also, I came across this stoneware dinnerware set, a total of 12 pieces, and it's available in two colors. They do have it in gray and green at this location. I found it going for $19.97. I will say several Costco's continue to carry this product. The original price of this item is $44.99. You can see here everything that is included. You get 4 dinner plates, 4 side plates, and 4 dinner bowls, and this dinnerware set is made in Portugal. Now check out this Cuisinart grill and griddle. That is a great kitchen upgrade at Costco Chino Hills. I found it going for $49.97. Let me tell you, this is an amazing price. It also has really good reviews. At one point, it was going for $120. Once again, it's Costco Chino Hills. And Costco does seem to have a limited stock for the product now. You can use it as a full grill, as a griddle, a contact grill, or even to make paninis. Now, keep in mind, it does have reversible plates, and that gives you obviously more cooking options. And the temperature control lets you cook everything from breakfast to grilled sandwiches and more. It also opens flat for extra cooking space and has an easy to read LCD display. I also came across the double-sided grill slash griddle by Lodge cast iron. This one's a seasoned cast iron, guys, and it has $6 off through July 6th. It went from $30 down to $23.99. So if you've been eyeing it, it's definitely a good time to grab it. It's 17 by 12 inches. It has a 100% natural cooking surface made with just iron and oil. Now in Costco Garden Grove, I came across these adorable multi-purpose baskets. These come in a total of 3 pieces, so you get 1 large basket and 2 medium baskets. I found them going for $6.97. At one point, these are going for $13.99. Once again, Costco Garden Grove. I have noticed these are definitely getting hard to find, so Costco seems to have a limited stock for them. This location did carry the 2 color options, which is white and green. And both of them are really nice, perfect for displaying your berries on the kitchen table. This is the Power Percussion Hot and Cold Reach Percussion Massager. It has 6 different speeds and comes with 5 attachments. But I do like that it has 2 hours of battery life, and even a carrying case is included. $69.97. At one point, it was going for $100. So it's already like a $30 difference from the original price. Here are the different attachments. So you get the hot and cold attachment. You have flat, cone, fork, round. And it also comes with the extension handle for hard to reach areas. I hear a vegetable chopper and slicer is a must in any kitchen. This one right here comes with 4 different settings, and it has a total of 11 pieces. I did spot it on sale at Costco with $4 off through July 5th. So this went from $19 down to $14.99. You have 3 diced options. You can do small, large, or garnish. You have 5 blades for grate, slice, and shred. And it comes with 1 spiralizer with 4 settings. Keep in mind, it's top rack dishwasher safe. Now, my followers over on TikTok are loving this Kettle smoker. And guys, I found it at the lowest price ever, $30 off through July 5th. It went from $70 down to $39.99. Imagine adding authentic wood smoke flavor to fish, chicken, ribs sounds delicious, pizza, and more. It's intended for indoor stovetop use or outdoor top of grill use. It comes with a smoking tray, the thermometer, a drip pan, and 5 flavors of wood chips. This is the 16-piece ultimate kit from Blackstone. And guys, it's got amazing reviews on Costco.com. At Costco Chino Hills, for the first time ever, I found this one going for $30. It's about an $8 difference from the original price. Typically, it goes for $38. And so let me show you guys here what's included. So it does have heat-resistant handles. It's stainless steel utensils. And it comes with 2 of the 12-ounce squeeze bottles. You get 2 of the stainless steel spatulas. You get the griddle scraper, the griddle scoop, 5 scrub pads, 1 scrub pad handle. And then you also got a couple of ring options. You get 2 square and 2 round egg rings. Now at Costco Garden Grove, I came across the Infinity X1 7000 lumen LED flashlight that is super bright and great to have around the house. I found it going for $26.97, and at one point this product was going for $36.99. Again, first time seeing it marked down. Let me know if you happen to spot it at an even better price than this. But it does have a couple of different light modes. You can adjust the focus, and comes with rechargeable batteries too. You can even use it as a power bank, so you can charge your devices with the built-in USB-C ports. And it also includes the extra battery, so you're ready to go. Now, if you've been looking for an easy way to upgrade your bathroom and give it a more finished look, check out this Landia 6-piece bathroom hardware set. I did spot it on sale at Costco with $10 off through July 5th. So this one went from $30 down to $19.99, and it pretty much comes with everything you need. It does come with the towel bars, a towel ring, a robe hook, and toilet paper holder. Now it does have a satin nickel finish that looks modern. It matches many styles, and the installation hardware is included to make setup easier. I feel like a charging station like this comes in handy nowadays, and Costco's got a 2-pack on sale with $5 off through July 6th. This one right here went from $22.99 down to $17.99. Again, that's the price for a 2-pack. It has adapter spaced outlets, a 6-foot braided cord, and then you have the charging ports as well. I did spot 2 different color options for us. They do have it in green and silver. Guys, this right here is a 10-piece makeup brush set. I found it in Costco Chino Hills. First time seeing this product marked down, and I honestly don't even remember if it ever went on sale. Found it going for $17.97. Once again, Costco Chino Hills, and at one point it was going for $19.99. This set right here has everything you need for a full makeup routine. It includes brushes for foundation, powder, blush, contour, eyeshadow, brows, and more. Now, if you've been eyeing this 6-piece stainless steel and silicone tool set by Sabatier, guys, this one went on sale, and it's got amazing reviews too. A total of 6 pieces, $5 off through July 1st, and went from $20 down to $14.99. Definitely a good time to grab it. It pretty much has all your everyday cooking basics like a spoon, a spatula, ladle, and turners. Now, keep in mind the silicone heads are heat resistant and safe for non-toxic pans, and the handles also feel solid and comfortable to use. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, so cleanup is easy. This is actually a really nice find. It's by Chosen Foods. It's a steakhouse Caesar dressing and marinade that's made with 100% pure avocado oil. And check out this price right here for a 2-pack, $4.97. Wow, I really want to try this. Let me know if it's good, and let me know if you recommend it. Originally, this product was going for $10.99, and it says here nutrition facts is around 2 tablespoons, around 30 milliliters, and that would be around 120 calories per serving. Costco members really seem to like this backpack. It's by Nike. It's the Brazilian 9.5 training backpack, and it's got great reviews, guys. I found it going for $19.97. It's a great find because at one point this backpack right here was going for $34.99. If you're interested, I found it in Costco Fountain Valley. Again, first time seeing the product marked down. I will warn you though, I only found it in red. It's a medium-sized backpack. It's got a laptop sleeve. It also has water bottle side pockets, and it's got a zippered inside pocket for small items. We actually have this one at home, and it's super easy to use. All you have to do is press the button, and it releases like so many bubbles. And at nighttime too, it lights up, and it turns like into a little disco kind of thing. It's really fun. Found it going for $9.97 at Costco Norwalk. At one point, it was going for $29.99. Here is something I'm using nonstop right now. It's by Murphy's Naturals, and this is the mosquito and tick repellent. I'm glad it went on sale at Costco. $3 off through July 5th. It went from $15 down to $11.99. But guys, you're getting a really good amount. I must say, I purchased this, I want to say it was about a year and a half ago. And I've been using it ever since, and we still have so much left from this pack. It's made with oil of lemon eucalyptus. It's plant-based, and it's great for the whole family. And over here in Costco Garden Grove, for the first time, I came across the Good Pop Fruit Sours. They're sour candy-coated fruit pops. Come in 3 flavors. I found them going for $9.97. At one point, these were going for $12.79. Once again, Costco Garden Grove. First time seeing these marked down too. One pop's only 60 calories, and for just one pop, has around 9 grams of sugar. And keep in mind, this box has 3 flavors. You got melon, you got green apple, and you also have lemonade.